Good morning, my dear students. Last class we discussed operations on matrices. Based upon that one, we will solve problems exercise 3.2. In that one, first problem we can see let A equal to 2, 4, 3, 2, B equal to 1, 3, minus 2, 5, C equal to minus 2, 5, 3, 4. They are asking find the A plus B matrix and find the AB matrix. Now we will see first one is A plus B matrix. Now here A matrix and B matrix. What is the A matrix here? 2, 4, 3, 2. Same thing here. Next one plus B matrix here 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Now we can see addition of the matrix. Addition of the matrix means both matrix order is same. Corresponding elements we have to add. Now see order is same. Here order 2 by 2 matrix. Here order 2 by 2 matrix. Now corresponding elements we have to add. Here what is corresponding elements? 2. Here 1. 2 plus 1 value is here 3. Next one 4. Here plus 3. 4 plus 3 value is 7. Next one 3. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 value is here 1. Next one 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 value is here 7. This is the addition of here A plus B matrix. Once again, here they are asking first question, find the A plus B. Find the A plus B. A matrix, B matrix, order is same. You have to add corresponding elements. Here what are corresponding elements for A matrix? Here 2 plus 1. 3 is the value. Next one 4 plus 3. Value is here 7. Next one here 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 value is 1. Next one 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 value is 7. Same thing, one more question you can see. Here only they given A and B. You can see one more question. Here A, B question you can see. They are asking product of A and B matrix. What is the A matrix here? A is here 2, 4, 3, 2. Next one into B matrix. What is the B matrix? 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Now here product of two matrix. When product of two matrix, first we write order. A matrix order here 2 by 2 and B matrix order here 2 by 2. Now product of two matrix, what is the condition? First matrix column, second matrix row, both are equal. When both are equal means matrix multiplication is possible. Now here both are equal. Both are equal means what is the guidelines of the matrix? Here what will get order? This is the 2 by 2. Here both are same. Next remaining here 2. Here is 2. Now this is the 2 by 2. What is the guidelines of the matrix? 2 by 2 means here total 4 elements are there. 4 elements are here. Elements A11, A12, A21, A22. A11 meaning, what is the A11 meaning? Here AB equal to A11 meaning. A11 meaning is first row, first column you have to multiply. Here first row, first column you have to multiply. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2, 4 into minus 2. This is the A11 element. Next one A12. A12 meaning first row, second column you have to multiply. First row 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5, 4 into 5. That is the A1. This is the A12 element. Next one A21. A21 meaning first here second row, first element you have to multiply. Second row 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. Next one here A22 element. Second row and second element you have to multiply. 3 into 3, here 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Now equal to, we will get add the elements. 2 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2 value is minus 8 plus 2. Here we can write minus 6. Next 2 into 3, 6 plus 4 into 5, 20. 20 plus 6, here 26. Next 3 into 1, 3 plus 2 into minus 2. Minus 4 plus 3, value minus 1. Next 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. This is the product of two matrix order 2 by 2. Here they given A question, B question. We will see here C question is B plus C. We will write one more added question. C question. What is C question? B matrix plus C matrix. What is the B matrix here? B matrix 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Next one plus C matrix minus 2, 5, 3, here 4 equal to. Now here they are asking addition of the two matrices. Addition of two matrices means add all corresponding elements. What are corresponding elements here? 1, here minus 2. 1 minus 2 value is minus 1. Next one 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 value is 8. Minus 2 plus 3 value is 1. 5 plus 4 value is 9. This is the addition of B plus C. This is the first question. Second question they are asking. Compute the following. First one, they are given matrix. Here one matrix A, B, minus B, A elements are given, plus one more matrix A, B, B, A. Here 4 elements are given. Addition, plus means addition. They are asking addition of two matrices. First your addition means check that order. What is here? First matrix order 2 by 2. Next one second matrix order 2 by 2. When order is same, you have to add corresponding elements. What are the corresponding elements here? Here A plus A value here 2A. Next one here B, again B plus B here value is 2B. Next one minus B here plus B, minus B plus B value is 0. Next one here A plus A here value is 2A. This is the addition of two matrices. Next one addition of here they given 3 by 3 matrix. Here what is the first matrix order 3 by 3. Here second matrix order 3 by 3. Addition of two matrices. Addition of two matrices here 3 by 3 matrix. Now here I am writing first one. If your matrix order is same means corresponding elements you have to add. Minus 1 here minus 1 plus 12 value is 11. 4 plus 7 11. Minus 6 plus 6 value is 0. Here minus 6 plus 6 value is 0. Same thing. Here 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 here value is 16. Here 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 5. 16 plus 5 total 21. Here 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 5. 8 plus 2 8 plus 2 value is 10. 5 plus 4 5 plus 4 value is 9. This is the 3 by 3 matrix order. Next one more question. Third one. Here matrix they give elements cos square x, sin square x, sin square x, cos square x. These all are the elements only. Plus one more matrix sin square x, cos square x, cos square x, sin square x. All are the elements. First addition of two matrices. What you have to do first? You have to check that order. What is the first matrix order? 2 by 2. Second matrix order 2 by 2. They are asking addition. First you can add here. What you have to do? Or add the corresponding elements. Here what are the corresponding elements? Cos square x plus here first element. This is the sin square x. This is the A11 element. Next second element sin square x. Here sin square x. Here also cos square x is there. Here sin square x plus here cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x. Next one. Here A21, here A21. A21 here sin square x plus cos square x. Next one. A22, here A22. Cos square x plus here sin square x. In first year you studied trigonometry, that is cos square x plus sin square x. Value is 1. In first you studied formula. Again sin square x plus cos square x value is 1. Again sin square x plus cos square value is 1. Cos square x plus sin square x value is 1. This is the answer. Addition of two matrices. Next one. Compute the following. They are asking here addition or subtraction symbol is not given. That means product of two matrices. Product of two matrices, you know the condition. What is the condition? Product of two matrices. A matrix, first matrix order. What is the order here? 2 by 2. Second matrix order, 2 rows, 3 columns. Here 2 by 3. Now you check here, first matrix column, second matrix row, both are equal. When both are equal means here, what is the guidelines of the matrix here? What will get? Both are equal. Remaining here, we see this is 2, here 3. This is 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix means here how many elements? 6 elements are there. What are the 6 elements here? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Total 6 elements are there. This is the 2 by 3 matrix. Now A11 means first row, first column you have to multiply. Here, first row, first column. What is the first row here? 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into here 2. 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2. This is the A1. Next A12. A12 means first row, here second column. What is the first row, second column? 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 3. Next A13. A13 meaning here first row, third column. 1 into here first row, third column. 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 1. Next one, A21. A21 means here second row, first column. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. Next one, A22. Second row, second column. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. Next one, A23. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. Here 2 by 3. Now we can write values. Here 1 into 1, 1 plus minus 2 into 2, minus 4. 1 minus 4, value minus 3. That is the A11 element. Next one, 1 into 2, 2 plus minus 2 into 3, 2 minus 6. A12 value minus 4. Next 1 into 3, 3 plus minus 2 into 1. 3 minus 2, value is 1. That is the A13 element. Same thing here, A2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Next one, 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 into 3, 9. 4 plus 9, 13. A22 element. Next one, 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 into 1, 6 plus 3, 9. A23 element. This is the matrix order here. 2 rows, 3 columns. Multiplication. One more question. Here one matrix they given 1, 2, 3. Next one more matrix. This is the which one, row matrix or column matrix? A matrix having the only one column is called a column matrix. Here row matrix they given. A matrix having the only one row is called a row matrix. Now see here multiplication both. No addition symbol, no subtraction symbol. Here both matrix here they given multiplication. First matrix order. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, only one column. Next one here. How many rows? 1 row. How many columns? 3 columns. Here this is 1 by 3. Now what is the guidelines of the matrix here? Matrix multiplication meaning is, what is the matrix multiplication meaning? First matrix column, second matrix row, both are equal. When both are equal, what is the guidelines of the matrix order? 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means total 9 elements are there. What are the 9 elements? A11, A12, A13. Next one, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now we will write here answer. Using guidelines of the matrix, you can multiply the two matrix. Now A11. What is A11 meaning? First row, first column. Here first row, first column. 1 into 2, value is 2, you can write that. Next one. Over. Next one, A12, first row, second column. 1 into 3, here 3 is the answer. Next one, A13, first row, third column. First row, third column. 1 into 4, 4. Next, A21, second row, first column. Here second row, first column 2 into 2 value is 4. Next one. Next A22 second row second column 2 3 are 6. Next one A23 second row here third column 2 into 4 8. Next one A31 third row first column here 3 into 2 6. Next one A32 third row second column 3 3 are 9. Next one A33 is third row third column 3 into 4 12. This is the multiplication. Here multiplication of the two matrices. Here we got guidelines of the matrix 3 by 3 matrix order. Here we got the answer. Next one fourth problem. Next question number 4. If A equal to 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1 3 by 3 matrix, B equal to 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3 3 by 3 matrix, and C equal to 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3. Here they are asking find B minus C, A plus B, then prove that A plus B of A plus B minus C equal to of A plus B minus C. We have to solve. First one we have to find out B minus C value. Here B minus C. B minus C. What is B minus C here? 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5. Next one 2 0 3 minus here subtraction. C 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3. Now equal to you have to find out B minus 3. B minus C. B minus C means here 3 by 3 matrix. Subtraction they are asking. Subtraction means both order is same. Subtract the corresponding elements. Here you can see 3 first element. 3 minus 4 value is minus 1. Next one minus 1 minus of minus 1. Minus of 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Next one 2 minus 2 value is 0. Next one 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 4. Next one 2 minus 3 minus 1. 5 minus 2 3 is the value. Next 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 1. Next one 0 minus of minus plus 0 plus 2 2. Next one 3 minus 3 value is 0. That is the value of B minus C. Next we will find out A plus B. Here A plus B we can find out. What is the A plus B? A matrix 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2. Next one 1 minus 1 1. Here plus B matrix 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5. Here 2 0 3 equal to they are asking A plus B, sum of the two matrices. Sum of two matrices means order is same, add the corresponding elements. Add the corresponding elements here. 1 plus 3 value is 4. 2 minus 1. 2 plus minus 1 is 1. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Next one 5 plus 4 9. Next one 0 plus 2 here 2. 2 plus 5 7. 1 plus 2 value 3. Next one minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. 1 plus 3 4. Now we solve B minus C over A plus B over. Then they are asking prove that A plus B minus C. First I am taking that here LHS. What is LHS? A plus B minus C. What is the A plus means here? A matrix you are right. What is the A matrix? 1 2 minus 3. Next one 5 0 value is 2. Next 1 minus 1 1 plus here B minus C value. Already we solved B minus C value. Here minus 1 minus 2 0. Next one 4 minus 1 3. Next one 1 2, 0. Now we have to add both. Here see 1 plus minus 1. 1 plus minus 1 value 0. Next one 2 plus minus 2 value is 0. Minus 3 plus 0 minus 3. Next one 5 plus 4 value 9. 0 plus minus 1 minus 1. 2 plus 3 value is 5. Next one 1 plus 1 value is 2. Minus 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 0 1. That is the LHS A plus B of B minus C. Next one RHS. What is RHS? Right hand side A plus B of minus C. Now you know that A plus B value already we know. Here A plus B value. What is A plus B value? 4. A plus B value 4. 1 minus 1. Next 9, 2, 7, 3, minus 1, 4. Here minus C. Minus C value. C matrix 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 3. Both we have to do now subtraction. You know the subtraction condition. Here both matrix are the same. Subtract the corresponding elements. Here 4 minus 4 value is 0. 1 minus 1 value is 0. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Next one 9 minus 0 9. Next 2 minus 3 minus 1. 7 minus 2 value is 5. Next here 3 minus 1 value is 2. Minus 1 minus of minus plus. Minus 1 plus 2 1. 4 minus 3 value is 1. Now we check LHS RHS. LHS 0 0 minus 3. 0 0 minus 3 RHS. Next one 9 minus 1 5. 9 minus 1 5. 2 1 1. 2 1 1. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. We proved that. Next one question number 5. Question number 5. A matrix they given and B matrix they given. They are asking them compute 3A minus 5B. 3A means multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. A matrix multiply into 3 minus 5 multiply into B, both due to subtraction. Now here we find out here 3A minus 5B. Now first we have to find out 3A matrix. For A matrix multiply into 3. 3 multiply 3. Here 3 have to multiply in A matrix. Each element you have to multiply. 3 into 2 by 3. Value is here 2. Next one 3 into 1 3. Next one 3 into 5 by 3 5. 3 into 1 by 3 1. 3 into 2 by 3 2. 3 into 4 by 3 4. Next one 3 into 7 by 3 7. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 2 by 3 2. This is the 3A matrix. Minus here 5B. 5B means 5 is a scalar. Multiply into B matrix each element. 5 into 2 by 5 2. 5 into 3 by 5 3. 5 into 1 5. 5 into 1 by 5 1. 5 into 2 by 5 2. 5 into 4 by 5 4. 5 into 7 by 5 7. 5 into 6 by 5 6. 5 into 2 by 5 here 2. Equal to, this is 3A matrix minus 5B matrix. Now subtraction of 2 matrix. Subtraction of 2 matrix means here corresponding elements you have to subtract. What are the corresponding elements here? 2 minus 2 value is 0. 3 minus 3 value is 0. 5 minus 5 value is 0. 1 minus 1 value is 0. 2 minus 2 value is 0. 3 minus 4 minus 4 0. 7 minus 7 0. 6 minus 6 0. 2 minus 2 0. Now all elements are 0. All elements are 0 means you know that is a null matrix or zero matrix. Question number 5. Question number 6. Simplify. This is the cos theta in short form. Cos theta into here matrix is given. cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta of into sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Cos theta you multiply, cos theta is scalar, you multiply into here each element. Cos theta into cos theta, what you will write here? Cos square theta. Next one, cos theta into sin theta, you can write say cos theta into sin theta. Next one, cos theta into minus sin theta, minus of cos theta into sin theta. Next one, cos theta into cos theta, here cos square theta plus next here sin theta. Sin theta multiply sin into sin square theta, sin theta into minus cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta. Next one, sin theta into cos theta, here sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Now see, here plus means addition symbol. Both matrix order is same. When order is same means corresponding elements you can add. What are the corresponding elements here? Here first element cos square theta, here first element sin square theta. Here I am writing cos square theta plus sin square theta. Next one, cos theta sin theta. First element here a12 element, here a12 element. Now I am writing cos theta sin theta minus sin theta into cos theta. Next one, a21 element, here a21 element minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta. Next one, cos square theta, here sin square theta. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta. You know in trigonometry first year formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Next one here, cos theta sin theta plus minus sin theta cos theta. Both are plus or minus terms will get 0 value. Next one here, minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. Both are plus minus terms will get 0 value. Next one here, cos square theta sin square theta value is 1. Now what is the matrix? This one identity matrix. What is the order here? 2 by 2. This is you can write capital I2. This is identity matrix. Order is second order. Now we'll see seventh question. Next question, find capital X matrix and capital Y matrix if x plus y, x and y both are the matrices. Capital X plus capital Y equal to 7, 0, 2, 5 elements are given. This matrix order here 2 by 2 matrix and capital X minus capital Y equal to 3, 0, 0, 3 elements are given. Matrix order here 2 by 2. You have to use these two conditions. You have to find out capital X and capital Y matrix. Now see, this is the condition 1. X plus Y equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. Now given first one, this one you can take equation 1. Next, capital X minus capital Y equal to 3, 0, 0, 3. This is you can take second equation you can take. This is equation 2, here equation 1. Now you have to find out capital X and capital Y matrices. That's why you can add equation 1 and equation 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. Here x plus y. This is the equation 1 plus x minus y. Equation 1, equation 2, left side part I am adding here. Equal to right side part you can add. Equal to right side part 7, 0, 2, 5. Here plus next 3, 0, 0, 3. Now see left side part plus y minus y both matrices cancel. Capital X plus capital X. Here 2 capital X matrix equal to right side both matrices you can add. Order is same. Add corresponding elements. 7 plus 3 10. 0 plus 0 0. 2 plus 0 2. 5 plus 3 8. Now 2x equal to 10, 0, 2, 8. In this matrix, 2 is the common number. Take out the 2 common here. In this matrix, you can write one more way. 2 if you take out the common. Here 5. 2 5s are 10. Here 0. Here 2 1. 2 1s are 2. Here 8 is there. 2 4s are 8. Here 4. Now see here. 2x equal to 2 into 5 0 1 2. 2 2 will be cancelled. what is the capital X equal to? Capital X matrix equal to 5, 0, 1, 4. This is the X matrix. Next, this is the X matrix. Next they are asking find out capital Y. Again, here I am doing equation 1, equation 2 addition. Now we can do equation 1 and equation 2 subtraction. If I am doing here capital X minus plus Y, here minus capital X minus, here minus capital Y. Left side here I am adding both the condition equation 1 and equation 2. Right side here 7, 0, 2, 5 minus here 3, 0, 0, 3. Here equation 1 subtracting equation 2. Here you can see here plus X plus Y minus you apply inside, here minus into minus plus here, that is plus X minus here minus X plus X cancel, Y minus you apply inside, minus into minus plus, here you will get 2Y capital Y equal to subtraction 7 minus, both are same order, corresponding elements you have to do subtraction. 7 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 5 minus 3, 2. Now this matrix you can write one more way, 2 you can take out the common, here 2 2 is 4, 2, here 0, 1, 1. Now 2y equal to 2 into 2, 0, 1, 1. Both sides 2 cancel, you can write here y matrix equal to here 2, 0, 1, 1. This is the y matrix. Here find, they are asking capital X and capital. We got capital X matrix, capital Y matrix. Question number 8 also same method. You try to solve question number 8. Next one, question number 9. What they are asking here, find capital small x and small y. X and y are the here, which one? Variables, not matrices. Find small x and small y if 2, here the given matrix are matrix 1, 3, 0, 2 plus y 0, 1, 2 equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. Here see first here scalar they given. Scalar you have to multiply each element. Multiply, what will get? Here 2, 2, 3 is 6, 2 into 0, 0, here 2x. Next plus here y 0, 1, 2. Next equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. Now see left side, here plus symbol addition, that one. Both matrices order is same. Add corresponding elements. If we add corresponding elements here, a11, here also a11 is the 2 plus y. Next one, here 6, here also 0. 6 plus 0, 6. Here 0 plus 1, that is a 1. 2x plus here 2. 2x plus 2 equal to here 5, 6, 1, 8. Here plus symbol is the addition. Added both matrices corresponding elements. Here we get 2 plus y, 6, 1, 2x plus 2 equal to right side 5, 6, 1, 8. Now you can see equal symbol. Equality of the two matrices. When you will equate both matrices order is same, you can equate corresponding elements. Here what is the first element? First row. Here first row first column is 2 plus y. Here first row first column is 5. Here 2 plus y equal to 5 implies y equal to value is 3. Here 2 plus y equal to 5. 2 write on right side. 5 minus 2 value is 3. Next 6 6 equal 1 1 equal. Next here second row second element. Here second row second element 8. Now 2x plus 2 equal to 8 implies here 2 write on right side 6. 2x equal to 6. X equal to value is 3. X and y are the variables. You got x value 3, y value 3. Question number 9, question number 10, both are same method. You try to solve question number 10. Next question number 11. Here see they given if x matrix, here they given 2 3 2 elements. plus y they given here two elements minus 1 1 equal to they given two elements 10 and 5 matrix. Find the value of x and y. X and y are the variables, not matrix. You have to find out x value and one more is y value you have to find out. First given question you can see. X is given. Multiply here each element. If you multiply each element, what will get here? 2x, 3x plus again here minus y, here y equal to here 10, 5. Now see left side here plus addition symbol is there. Both matrix order is same. Order is same means add corresponding elements. If you add corresponding elements, what will you get here? 2x minus y. Next one 3x plus y equal to here 10, 5. Now equal symbol. Equality of the two matrices. Equate corresponding elements. If you corresponding elements if you equate, what will you get? 2x minus y equal to 10. This is the equation 1. Next 3x plus y equal to 5. This is equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Otherwise simplify equation 1 and equation 2. If you add equation 1 and 2, plus y minus y cancel. 2x plus 3x, 5x equal to here 15. X value what will get? X equal to we will get value is here 3. Solve equation 1 and 2 will get. Adding equation 1 and equation 2 you will get x value 3. X value no means substitute here x value. 2 3 are 6. 6 right on right side 10 minus 6 4 minus here 4 here minus 1 y equal to value is minus 4. Simplifying equation 1 and equation 2 you will get x value 3 y value 4. Question number 12 also same method you try to solve question number 12. Next class we will explain remaining problems. Thank you.